Now we are going to look at indirect function. Indirect function helps to get the result indirectly using cell address. In this case, I have list of products here and also have sales. Now here also I have the same product and I want the sales to be translated here. Let me give an example. So I want a sales for smart TV. I can directly pick the value equal and I can directly link to sales. I can get the number 57208. So now I have selected the cells and I got the information directly. So without selecting the cells also we can get the information using cell address. So this value is in cell B2. So now I have B2 here. Let me use indirect function. Indirect. So cell reference B2. So now I got 57208. So what the function does is, the function will refer the address which we selected. We can either manually update or we can choose. So it will go and refer B2. So whatever value you have in B2, so that will be updated here. Same thing I'm going to do it for monitor. Equal indirect. So here I have a cell value B5. So if I select this, so whatever value I have in B5, I will get it. In B5, I have 54545. 54545. Let me do the same thing for laptop. So laptop is in B4. So instead of directly select B4, I'll select the cell. So I got the result for the laptop. Similarly, I do for PC. Indirect, I'll choose B7. You can ask me why we already have the numbers here. Why can't we directly select instead of using indirect? When you move to advanced level, so there you will see, so what are the things we are going to do using indirect function. It has more advantages in the advanced level function. Let's move on to the next function.